So how do you get here? Let's assume I'm
Okay.
a newbie.
This is the top FX cTrader.
Okay.
So I just launched it, and then we have these features where you check on the left side below the hamburger button or the menu. We have trade, we have copy, we have automate, and then we also have analyze. So when you go to the trade, that's where you get access to the charts. And then with this chart, you can simply detach it and then have a full screen to do your analysis.
Okay.
Yes, you can simply detach it to have a full screen. So a lot of things are not going to pop up, and then you just have the full screen to do your analysis and everything. And this cTrader has more advanced features as compared to the previous ones, the existing one that we have. It has
Okay.
a lot of advanced features. Yes, and then tomorrow, God willing, I think we are just 2 minutes away from tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to have the beginner class, cTrader beginner class, and then the following day on Sunday we are going to have another class on it. So we are going to go into details how you can select pairs, how you can pick some tools to analyze the market. So we are going to make it simple for individuals that are going to join us. And then with a copy trade, this is how um, I check and then make decisions whenever I want to advise a client to copy a strategy provider or a copy trader on this platform. So the cTrader gives you access to a lot of information about strategy providers. So when you come to copy, that's below the trade. When you come to copy, this side is when the settings that we have here, you see we have strategies and then we have favorites. So if you decide to make some strategies your favorite strategies, you can just hit or click on the star button and then it's going to be added up to the favorite. So currently I have 7. If I hit on this star, it's going to be added to the ones I already have, right? So
Yeah.
now if I go to favorites, it means that I have selected all these people. I've already gone through their their profile to see their performance, and then I have selected them and then decided that if anybody comes on board, these are the people that I'm going to match them to, depending on the individual's capital or depending on their desired deposit.
Mm.
Of them allow a minimum of $100. Some allow 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 10,000.
Okay.
Yes. So some also allow traders to copy them with demo accounts just to test their strategy. Some also don't allow demo. It's just real account. If you're ready for business, you come and copy. Some would also
Mm.
allow you to copy them with a demo account. Yeah, so that you see. But then even without copying them with demo account, you can simply go through their profile to see their performance, the number
Mm.
of traders that are connected to them. Some of them you can even see their initial or their startup capital, the total amount of money they've made, the number of investors or account copying them, the total funds of the account copying them, and then the person's own account that the person is using to trade. You also get to know the minimum amount you can copy them with. But then cTrader in general allows as low as a minimum of $100. So anybody providing a copy trade service or a strategy provider, every strategy provider is able to allow a minimum of 100 USD to copy them. So any amount less than 100 USD cannot copy any trader on the cTrader platform.
Okay.
So the limit every individual needs is 100 USD. But then after the 100 USD, the trader you decide to go for will depend on the amount you have. So if you want to go for a trader that has 200 minimum, it means that you need to go for $200 deposit, right? So let's just go back to strategies, and then these have been arranged by cTrader. So we have the very first person here, which is the deep. Let me hit on it to see the full name. Okay, so this is the deep secret, and then we have the overall. Let me check. So this person has 109.83%. So return on investment, this person has made a total of 109, let's say roughly 109% on the strategy ever since. Let me check. You can actually customize to see a particular period. So let me just check which period. Okay, let me check all time. Yeah, so this is the all time. So if you want to check for the past week, you can just switch to the past week. So you come to the percentage side, which is the ROI. So we have weekly. So this means that in this particular week, this person has been able to make 0.43% on their capital. And then if you want to check for the previous month or the current month rather, this person has made 1.82% for the past 3 months, for the past 6 months, for the past 1 year, and then overall. So all time, this person has made 109%. 109%. And then on the other side, we also have these details, other details about the strategy provider. So strategy details. And then the leverage, the person, you'll be able to see the person's base currency, the leverage they are using, and all that. So this person is using a leverage of 1:30, and then a currency USD, and then the minimum amount you can copy this trader with is 10,000 US dollars. And then this person is charging a performance fee of 20%. So this means that any profit that this person makes on your account, you are getting 20% of it at the end of the month. So any trader that you copy, the system automatically deducts the trader's share or the strategy provider's share at the end of the month, every month.
Okay.
Yes, some of them, they deduct it at the end of, I think every day, but this is every month. They are going to deduct it. Or if you decide to stop copying the trader, automatically the profit is, if the trader has made profit, the trader's share is going to be deducted from your account. Or if the trader also decides to stop providing the service, automatically, if the person has made if the person has made profit on your account, automatically the system is going to deduct it and then be added to their account, depending on the percentage they are charging as performance fee. So this trader is taking 20%. There are other fees here. We have management fee, and then we also have volume fee. Management fee is for if the trader wants to take money from you before you even start with the copy trade, but then most people are not charging that. Most strategy providers are not taking that fee. Yeah, so mostly what they take is the performance fee. That's when they make profits on your account. So we have another summary here. So net profit is 99,811. So the net profit is the amount of profit this trader has made. If it's positive, it will show green. If it's negative, it's going to be red, and then the negative sign will be in front of the figure. So this means that ever since this person started this copy trade or this strategy providing service, this person has made $99,811 on the account.
Wow.
And then we have the date here. This person started in June 2022.
Yeah.
Okay, I think let me go to the beginning. All right, so the
April, May,
yes,
April
so
thereabout.
yes, 2022, and then it has been sometimes losses occur, and then I believe maybe sometimes to the pause, but then this is when the trader actually started. So they give you the details of when the person actually started. So it could be that the person paused and then resumed. For that, I
Yeah.
cannot tell. They can't, yes, they don't indicate that here. But then overall, this person has made 99K on their capital. And then when you go down, there are other details. So starting balance, this person started with $16,000. And then current balance is, you can see the figures here. 1
Hey,
million. So it's
people get
over 1.
money.
Yes, it's over 1 million. Yeah. And then deposits, this person, okay, so after the person started, there has been a deposit of $1.3 million. And then a withdrawal of over 400K. Yes. So this person has also made almost 100K on the account. So cTrader would give you details of the strategy provider. And when you come here, we also have deals. So performance stats, deals, total deals, which is 542. And then winning the, so this simply goes for the number of positions this trader has ever opened since he started providing the copy trade service. So the deal stands for the number of trades. So this person has opened 542 trades, and then the winning deals are 333, and then the losing ones are 209. The long trades are 163. The short trades are 170. So the cTrader would give you information about every single activity the strategy provider is taking on their account. So when you come here and then you want to copy, you have access to all these details so that you know that, okay, this is what this person is doing. And then you can equally go to their history and even check. So now we have, this person has a total of 9 investors. And then active live invest, sorry, 12 rather. And then investors over. So over the period of I think 2 years now, it's less than 2 years, let me just say 1.5, there has been a total of 42 copiers, and then currently this trader has 12 investors copying, and then the investors funds right now is $1.5 million.
Yeah, good money.
Yes, that's a whole lot of money. Yeah, so you can have access to all these information before you decide or not to copy a strategy provider.
Okay.
Yes, and then most of the trades that they've been taking, you get them. So when you check the current man, we have the period. When you check the current man, this trader has opened 5 deals on gold and then 1 deal on BTC. And then we have the total pips, the net profits, and other details over here. So you can actually analyze these traders' activities before you decide to copy them or not. So you come here, down here, you can also see all the trades they've opened. So sell good, sell good. You can see the directions in which they went, the price they opened the trade, the date, and everything. When the price they opened it, the price they closed it, every single details, you can have them on the platform so that you can finally decide whether to copy them or not.
Mhm.
Yes. So the current man, this trader has made 4,816 US dollars.
Yeah.
So we have the P&L over here, profits and loss. So loss deducted from profit, this person has 4,816 this month. So
And
you
then
can actually,
the copiers go according to their ratio, right?
sorry,
The copiers go according to their ratio and their equity. Is that correct?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes. So this person is trading with $1 million account, but then allows people with $10,000 accounts to copy them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it means that whenever they open trade for the experience I have, and then based on the terms and conditions for the cTrader, the copier I read, if you are copying them, whenever they open a position, your account is going to go by the lot size in which it can afford to hold. So the system automatically detects the lot size that is favorable or that is safer for your account. So if this trader has $1 million account, opening a position with 100 lot size, maybe yours would open with one standard lot or maybe 0.5.
Yeah.
Depending on your equity. Yes, so that's exactly how it works here. So after analyzing all this, then you can go back, select another trader, and then you can go through, you can analyze them, the lot sizes they've been using and all that you can have as it. So we also have their chart over here, overall, their all-time
Performance.
chart. Yes. So you can see this trader has been going up, 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 even though losses okay, but then I think all the ones we can see here, they have drawdowns, but then they still come back and then goes up as well. So they've been going over time. And one thing I've realized is that most of the traders here are very consistent. There is one trader I checked out. This trader opened about 208 trades and there was no single loss.
Oh my goodness.
208 trades, there was no loss. So these are the ones that I just analyzed. Okay, so this is somebody that joined recently. I just added him to see his performance so that later I'll decide whether or not to let people copy him. So this is somebody that came on board, but then I know him to be a very good trader. He's a
Okay.
very good trader. Yes. So he just started. He just started, and then I've just added him to my favorites to see how far the performance goes, to see if I can let people copy him. So right now, this I have few clients under this particular. You see the links I sent to you. I sent
Yeah.
from this guy. Yeah, the replicate X and then Forex Daily. So this
Okay.
person allows. Okay, let me just hit on it to see. Okay, so this person allows 200 minimum. But personally, I am copying him with $100 account because I copied him before he changed from $100 to 200. So
Okay.
there's no way the system is going to kick me out. I'm
Okay.
already in, unless I decide to disconnect it. Yes. And then I think I've made 37% of it. It's been less than 2 weeks. I've already made 37% on the $100 I connected with. Yeah, so I have about 5 traders copying this particular guy. And then there is another. So this guy, I don't have his contacts, the replicate X, but then I have somebody that has his contact
Or is it
because
Ghanaian?
sorry, now he's
Is it
not
a
a
Ghan?
Ghanaian. I think now he's in Europe or so.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And then Forex Daily, this is my guy. I brought him to Top FX to provide the copy trade service.
Okay.
So yes, and then I am copying him as well with this particular account. So you see, we have stop this thing. So, oh, sorry. Yeah, so I have access to the account also monitoring from my side. So this is my guy. I brought him to provide a copy trade service for my people. So currently he also has 12 investors, and then the minimum you can copy with this account is I think $100. Okay,
100.
let me
Mm.
confirm. Yes, yes. So $100, and then this trader is charging 30%. Yeah. So I have this, and then there is so with this guy, I have his contact. So I think this billions guy is I have his contact, and then replicate. I don't have his contact. Sorry, I don't have his contact. But then I have one guy on the team who has his contact. So anytime we can just communicate with him. And then with the Forex Daily, I also have his contact. But then the other guys, I don't have their contact. So we just link people to them. If their capital is
Matches.
yes, if it matches with the minimum amount they can copy with, I just push them to just copy. And then they are all performing. Yeah. When you look at the chart, you could see they are performing. This has 531. This has 1,100%. We have 109%. This person has fast has 37,000%. That's yeah, that's too much. And then with this person, you can copy him with a minimum of 200 USD. And
Makes
then his
sense.
net profit is, yeah, 2,500. Yes, so
Makes sense.
that is it. Yeah, so you can
The
actually,
losses are really low. He has a low losing streak.
yes, yes. So these are the guys, these are the things I check. I just check their lots, the number of positions, the number of wins, the number of losses, their highest profits, their highest loss, the long-term trades, the short-term trades. So I check all these things to decide, or maybe yes, to decide to add them to my favorite, so that whenever I have investors or traders on board that want to partake in the copy trade, I just advise them to
Okay.
copy the traders that I have on board.
It's very
Yes.
clear. All right, that's clear.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
All right. So
So what of the, is it the boats? The last two button on the top left. No, down, right? The last two button on the, no, under the copy.
under copy. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So automate. Yeah. It's not working. I don't
Okay.
know if it's but then yeah, you can just automate some stuff here. So I'm sure yeah, source code is
Okay, you
not
need to have
available.
source codes and the rest. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. I think it well explained at the same time. So meaning somebody can also uh do his own trade on the cTrader at the same time without using
Yes,
MT4, right? Okay.
yes,
Then
yes.
from
So
there he can
personally,
also
this is
decide to
what
be a
mostly
strategy
when people come on board, all the people coming on board, I just advise them to use cTrader.
cTrader. Okay, that's fine. I think it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So any other day, any other time, if you need any clarification, maybe if you have any questions, you can
yeah,
just
sure.
let me